everyone, welcome back to Sunny Live Share. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. To all my subscribers, thank you so much guys for amazing support. And if you're new, you're welcome. Please don't hesitate to press the subscribe button and notification bell so that you don't miss anything that I'm going to upload next on this channel. Guys, let's talk about Uzalo, specifically about a character Kasbu. You know guys, that guy misses every opportunity given to him. Yesterday he had an interview with a lady who was introduced to us as Nomzamo, the community blogger of Loka Iakwamasho. They went to see the distillery and the contractors chased them away because they didn't have protective clothes suitable for that place. Guess what? Sbu threatened to fire all the contractors and he told them to go home. Little did he know he was gonna be in trouble. The unfortunate happened. Bobabili bazithole sebewelwe yinsimbi zakuleya site ekwakhiwa kuyo, and I assume Nomzamo died on the spot. Usbu decided to hide her body somewhere. That is my assumption, but according to the tears zika January, Usbu will be drowning in the pool of guilty. Everyone will be looking for Nomzamo, and she was last seen with Usbu, or Sbusisa was the last person to be with Nomzamo. Do you think Nomzamo is still alive, or sisonke ekutheni ushonele khona lapho and uSbusiso umngcwabile eyedwa? Leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.